Hey guys, it's Booya for KB Inside, and for this video, we are going to have another try on our first impressions and review of another very popular product from Korea, and that is the 3CE Velvet Lip Tint. So this is very popular, and I think this was released 2 or a year ago. This product is so popular in Korea, US, and in the Philippines. So without any more further ado, let's open this bad boy up. So this is what the packaging looks like. It's monochromatic, red. It depends on the color. So there are different kinds of shades available. So I have this shade Red Intense. So I have a red shade. The color of the box depends on the shade of the actual lip product. We are gonna open this up. Again, my shade is Red Intense. Yeah, so this is what the actual component looks like, and it has a kind of a velvet matte finish to its packaging. And what I'm gonna do is let's just apply this. Again, I haven't tried this ever, so let's see. Okay, first thing that I noticed when I applied this Velvet Lip Tint is that there's something in its scent that's kind of funky, I would say. There's like a gassy scent, a slight gassy scent to it, that when I apply this Velvet Lip Tint, you can just feel the gassy aroma. I don't know. It's weird. It's a little bit funky. I'm not a big fan of it, but the feel of it is really good. There. And it's very soft on the lips, which I absolutely love. Then what I love to do next when applying lip products like this is I soften out the edges of my lips, and so that I can achieve the Korean lip aesthetic. Yeah. So I'm just blurring out the edges of my lips and my fingers. I have a really big lip, so. So this is what the 3CE Velvet Lip Tint looks like. It looks very soft, very diffused, and I love how it looks on my lips. And it has a soft matte finish to it, which I love. It's the popular kind of finish right now. It's really gentle on the lips, so if you have dry or chappy lips, you don't have to worry by using this soft matte kind of lip product, because this is very gentle on the lips. It's like pillow on your lips. It's very kind. It's very soft. It's very friendly, I would say. It will suit any lip condition, and it's really good. I also love the color. I say it is buildable. You can apply this product from sheer to a full coverage application, which means you can apply it as a tint on your lips or as a full lip product. So, but what I did with my lips is kind of a ombre kind of look with soft edges. So that's what I did. And yeah, I really love it, and I understand what the hype is all about. I get it, and this is why people love this product, and this is why it's the most hyped about product in the last 2 years, I would say. So it's really good. I really recommend this to you guys, and I think you should check out other shades as well if you do not like red kind of shades, because not a lot of people can sport this shade. So there are a lot of shades available, so don't you worry. The one thing that I don't like about this is the scent of it. The scent when I first applied it, like, it was weird. It had a funky smell to it. Like, it was a little bit gassy, and I can feel it in my mouth, and it felt weird. It felt funny, funky at the same time. So I'm not a big fan of it. I hope they change the scent in the future with a fruitier scent, I would say, but something different. I'm not a big fan of the scent of this. So if you're picky with scents as well, let me know in the comment section below. You know how we have lines or like creases on our lips? it didn't emphasize it, but it blurred it out even more, which I love. And it makes our lips look soft because of that effect. So I really, really love it. So if you're the type of person that you haven't tried this product ever, like me, even though it was so hyped about, you have to try it out. It's really, really good. Again, it's worth every penny, I swear. So that's it for this first impressions and review of 3CE's Velvet Lip Tint. Let me know in the comment section below what you think. Do you agree with my thoughts or not? Or if you're planning to buy this product or not. Let me know in the comment section below. Thank you so much and see you on the next video. Bye! Thank you so much for watching this video. If you want more, then please do click these videos right here. And of course, please do subscribe to our channel and turn on that bell button so that you are notified whenever we have a new video. See you on our next video. Bye!